Alrighty. This is definitely the last one. It's a little past midnight. But gosh darn it, I'm addicted to this game right now. It's so fun. I mean, it's mainly just point gun and shoot people while taking advantage of, like, the surroundings. You're not gonna be able to, like, melee people like you can in Boneworks, but not every game has to do that. But gosh darn. Something I love about Boneworks, but I guess that's Boneworks' thing. This game is just for the people that want to shoot things. And shooting in VR is fun. Unfortunately, I suck at it. Wait, this looks familiar. Wait a second. Oh, that's not good. That's just firecrackers, right? No.
Combine. Russ, these guys have automatic weapons.
They're alien commandos. Of course they have automatic weapons. We'd have them too, but combine weapons are gene-coded, so out of luck. Unless you find one that's unbonded, or you're open to some minor genetic modification.
I'm good, Russ. I'm just gonna roll with these genes that I've got.
I could try shooting them, but I'm not gonna risk it. They have better weapons than I do. You. Let's not see if there's anything over here. Nope. Alrighty. If this was real life, I definitely wouldn't be standing out that long. Oh, hi. Oh. Forgot, I had the gun. Alright, multi-tool time. Use my sonic screwdriver. Oh. I like that. Hmm. 30 resin. Let's take a look here. Old reservoir. Really thinking about that. Or we could have a laser targeter. What about the shotgun? Auto loader. The shotgun's really freaking powerful as is, so I don't need these things just yet. Laser sight is silly. Double shot. That's interesting. You're far away. Huh. I don't know why sometimes it does that. Whatever. I guess this is just like the menu hand, I guess. Alright, so double shot. I'm gonna say no. Auto loader. That is very useful. But we don't get ammo fast enough to justify that. But ammo is a big thing. Like, a huge thing. Laser sight would be nice, but we don't need it. That's a lot of resin. There it is, on the side. Take item.
Wow, my gun's looking pretty good.
Russ, come on. At this point, it's kind of our gun.
This is looking a little shaky. Looks like it's I didn't, like, bump into my sensors, did I? Oh well. Too bad. I mean, as much as I'd like to have the laser pointer, I still don't think I should get that before that ammo loader. Mm. Oh, that sucks. Oh, nice.
Meg.
Huh? Ain't no work. Why ain't no work?
That's Meg.
That's kind of the point of this thing. However. Well, this is fine. Okay. I can't see anything. The flashlight's not on. Employees only. All right. I'm gonna be out here for a little bit first.
Fairview Junction, we're here! That's Revenge! Get down!
Oh shit. How am I doing? 40 health. Wait, was that a grenade? I'm still good. Oh shit. Oh shit.
Faster.
Oh, okay. I see. Okay, they're over there for a moment. I need help. Oh, it feels so weird every time. Oh, shit! Shotgun time! So that doesn't actually heal me? Then what is it doing? How do I... I'm still at 5! What? I'm still at 5! What the heck? Or is that just a... Alright. Alright. A little bit of bobbing and weaving there. Those guys take a lot of hits, and they shoot pretty fast. Hmm. Oh, I guess we're going in here. Fuck. I can't aim for shit.
She's left. Let's go.
What? Oh, sweet. What did I do there?
Oh, I think that's the last of them.
Good, because we don't have much time.
You don't? Those guys hurt. Oh, hey, thank you. Actually, I kind of need to activate that now. Did I do it? Oh, am I looking at the wrong thing? So I still need help. Oh, thank you, buddy. I'll pat you on the back. Thanks. Alright. Oh, hey, and there's a... Wow. I just wasted a syringe, didn't I? Damn it. Oh, well. Alright. Wait. Oh. I try that again. Oh, okay. I was expecting there to be ammo. Because it looked like the ammo box, but bigger. Alright. So we're good? What's the beeping? Is that like full health? Oh, Wait. There we go. Alright, some more resin. Ah! Ah! I hate that. Did I miss something? Did I miss something? I have a thing here. I... Why is there a giant wall here? No, I need a...
There's
I
a
do.
control station override nearby.
You're a little late there, buddy. Hey. You do that at least. I'm gonna go do that. Right, I can just do it either way I want, I guess. You wanna go the top route or the other route? So... Right. Oh, I mean, you can't do it that way. It has to be this way. So I need to have that one there. So if it's like that, I need to have that one like that. Which means I'll do that. Wait, then how's... Hmm? Oh, I'm a dumb.
You should have plenty of time to get the override back online.
Hmm? Wait, what? Should be plenty of time? I mean, I just overrid it, didn't I? Also, is there anything over here? No, I can't. Besides, that looks like a place that we were over
Right,
before.
I'll be able to stop the train right here.
You sure you can do that?
Absolutely. You just need to activate the terminal.
Nice.
Then you'll need to be ready for a fight. They're not going to give up your dad easily.
I'll be ready.
Right, that's the terminal there.
I'm on it.
Do hurry, though.
Do hurry. Hmm? Oh, hello. Wait. Well, I don't really have anything else. Oh, I'll take these, thank you. And I'll take this. And I'll have a little bit of this. Alcohol. You're behind a door. You probably have something in there, right? No. That seems like a good place to hide something. Who puts a locker behind a door? I mean, really. Nothing. What is this? Well, whatever. I don't really care. How are we doing? Okay, that's fine. Anything else in here before we go? Alright. So, where do we want to head out at? So, I assume we either go on this side, and we can't really do much, or we go on this side. What is that thing for? Can we actually use that? Alright, anywho. Sonic screwdriver. Ooh. We got two. Okay, this is gonna be a bit more interesting. Alright, let me sit down for a second. Alright, let's see here. Yeah, I know. Alright, let's see. Well, this one's probably gonna be like... I don't know. Should I get somewhere like... Should I do that? And use this one to get the other ones? That looks good to me. That was actually a lot easier than I expected it to be. Hmm? Oh, duh. Alright. Alright. And... Ew. I'm curious. Oh, I can display space move. Okay. I just moved that back down. Actually, let me, advanced settings. Let me, reset that. Boom. There. And then the game just like, it's like, no. How could you? Oh. There we go. Next. What? Oh, we need to get in one. Alright, do we need another one? No. Alright. Alright. So where can we get that? Do we have one over here? Oh my gosh, my legs are so tired. One thing about VR, you usually can't tell how tired your body is until you take the headset off. Or if you're super tired, then you just sit down and then you're like, oh, crud. Alright. Wait, do I need to hold it? Oh dear. Because you know you have to mess with it if it's interactable. That's usually how developers do things. Usually, not always. I like it when sometimes like developers make it so you can interact with. So I can't actually go back now. All right. So it has to be somewhere on this side. I can't get up there. Can I? No, I can't do that. Okay. Behind the wall? No. Hmm? I need another thing. Where can I get this other thing? All right. Excuse me? It's in the trash. Where can I get it? It even shows like the little circly thing being like, hey, you need another thing. What the frick? Where do I get it? So... What? Am I blind? Am I blind? Where the heck is it? Because we can't go... Oh, I can. I thought... My brain told me that there was 2 black holes just like that. Hoppity hoppity. What? I thought I got it. What? There we go. Will that hurt me if I'm in the range? Ah, I hate that. Jesus. Okay, Oh shit. Cool. What? Oh. Okay. Oh shit. Alright. Just a few shots just in case. Because I did miss the first shot. Alright. Alright, cool. That's so useful. Wait a second. Okay, I thought these were man hacks. I'll take that, thank you. I guess that thing is a little big, isn't it? There's only one. The last in stock. What's this thing? Ah, my eyes. It's not like looking at a screen. In VR, it's like your entire vision. Ugh. Alright then. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Hold on here. What's going on? Okay. We're gonna go down here, aren't we? That looks like, that's a bit too detailed to just be thrown away. Because I thought there was a wall over here. What would happen if I tossed this down there? Want a game over me? I don't wanna screw around with that right now. I'm just gonna do what I'm supposed to do.
Okay, no worries. But the train is coming. Just get me in. It'll only take a second. You're doing great.
Yep, doing it. No worries. Worries. Worries.
Nothing
Okay, now just re-engage the system.
Is this supposed to come off?
It's the opposite of what it's supposed to do, Alyx.
What do I do now?
Well, don't panic. Well, stop panicking if you
I'm
are.
not panicking.
Yes, but I am. We need to find another way to stop this train. 10 seconds, Alyx. Okay, just throw the...
It won't stay.
You've got to hold it down.
Hold it. It's time to terminate. Alyx Vance? Huh? But I held it down. What? Wait, what?
Alyx? Alyx?
What? They told me to held it down, and I held it down. What? Excuse me? Am I supposed to do something else? I held it down? Huh? Huh? What did I do wrong?
There's gotta be another way to stop it.
10 seconds, Alyx. Okay, just throw the switch there. 5 seconds.
What? That's what I did last time. Oh, jeez. That looks pretty bad.
Well, that worked.
Yeah. Wow. You okay?
I'm okay. Let's go find Dad.
Huh? Oh. Okay.
Right. Look for the prisoner transport car. It should be towards the front of the train.
Okay, I'll find a way into the baggage.
What the hell are those?
I don't know, but we need to find Dad.
Yeah, no, I know. I've just never seen those before.
They're probably using it for energy like those other things are being used for energy. Right? Wait, I have 5.
4 shells left.
Oh.
That's your dad's prisoner pod.
Oh my god.
Hmm?
Dad? Dad? Dad!
I'm over here, honey.
Okay, I'm gonna reach out and pull you up. It's gonna be okay. You ready?
Yeah, I'm good.
Give me your hand.
And he dies again. Oh, hi. Is it the injured one?
Alyx Vance, I have come to help, as I said I would.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
you. Just stay there. I'm gonna figure out how to get over to you.
No! Alyx, listen! The thing Russell and I found is some sort of super weapon.
A super weapon?
It's something big. They got it here in the QZ in some kind of vault, but they're about to move it. Where, I don't know, but it's going to be soon.
Then we gotta steal it before they do.
Yes! And look, I managed to pocket this Combine data pod. If I can decrypt it, we can figure out how to use their weapon against them.
So what's the plan?
You head to the vault. I'll take this thing back to Russell's and get to work.
Wait, where is the vault?
Dad, where's the vault?
Look to the northern star.
Yes. Look to the star. Got it. Dad?
It's right in the middle of the QZ, and it's big. Get above ground and see what you can find. I will accompany the Eli Vance and ensure his safety.
Great. Thank you. Dad, I'm gonna go find this vault.
Go! Stay safe, baby. I love you.
I love you too.
I love you too.
Thank you.
Wait, he loves Alyx too? Oh my.
Hey, Russ. Keep an eye out for Dad, okay?
I'll let you know if he gets here. When he gets here.
Oh, I'll take that. Thank you. And thank you. Thank you. Alright. Things are getting interesting. Alright, what do we got? Oh, matching time. Alright. Oopsies. Where's the last one? Is this one? Oh! That's why. It was at the perfect angle for it to be invisible to me. I mean, you could see it on the screen. I'm going to assume these big boxes have no ammo. They haven't been giving me ammo before. No. No! God damn it, I want to keep going. I want to keep going. God damn it, I want to keep going. No. Oh my gosh. It was 30 minutes already? Oh my god, I want to keep going. I want to keep going though. Alright. One more. And then I'll stop.